Hello everyone. Welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 10th, 2020. We have here 6 Sudokus. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and a binary and a tectonic. Yes, 6 Sudokus to go. So, we will start first with the 1 star Sudoku. And this will be number 1317. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. How many printed numbers, are in this big square? Let me count. 3. 3. 4 times a 3 is 12. Plus 4 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. Plus 3 is 21. Plus 3 is 24. Plus 3 is 27. Yes. The 1 star Sudoku has always 27 printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. In this big square, in this third column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yes, in this column, 3 missing numbers. Still 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here or could be there. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. The other 2 numbers in this column should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. First digits. How about the number? 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. I need to wait. 3. Yeah. 3 3. No, need to wait, need to wait, need to wait. In this big square, oh wait, 9 in this column, 9 in the column, and next the second column, so the first column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then it will be difficult. Well, for the 9, I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2. 7, 5, and 8. Yes. How about 7, 5, and a 4. 5, 8. Yeah, in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. 8 and the 2. 8 and a 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5, 5, 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 7. Let me, no, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 8 and the 2, 8 and the 7, 8, 2, 7. In this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 2. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 2 is missing, 4 is missing, and 8 is missing. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 4, 8, and 9. How about these 3 numbers of this big square? The 4, the 5, and the 7. No. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. Uh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 8, 8, and the 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those numbers are the 1, the 8, and the 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 here, so no 8 and a 9 in this box. 1 digit left, should be the 1. Here goes the 8 and the 9. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 there, alright. These two numbers should be the 9 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only two places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3. 4 and 2. Well. The 8 and yeah, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And